Hi viewers, this is our EduTech channel. We are going to see about unknown websites. There are many unknown websites which will be useful for you. Let's see about them. LongURL.in. This website converts your long URL into short URL. Join.me. This website is used to share your screen with your desired persons. Bounceapp.com. This website is used for capturing full-length screenshots. WeTransfer.com. This website is used to share big files. PolishMyReading.com. This website is used to check your spelling and grammatical errors. WolframAlpha.com. It gets correct answers directly without searching. It is based on artificial intelligence. PrintWhatYouLike.com. It prints without clutter. For example, if you're taking screenshot of a website or an app in your mobile or desktop, if you paste that image in that website, it will print without clutter. Lovelycharts.com. It is used to create flowcharts, network diagrams, etc. ShadyURL.com. You can make your own URL. CoralCDN.org. When a website is heavily trafficked, you can use it. For example, if you go in Amazon, sometimes it shows something went wrong. This is because of getting heavily trafficked. When all people use this Amazon or any other websites, it will get heavy traffic. So some people cannot use that website or app. For that, you can go to coralcdn.org and paste that link and you can search what you want. tinychat.com. These are the chat rooms which are available for 24/7. Timerhyme.com. It creates your timeline of photos and videos online. Bugmenot.com. It gives free login details for all apps and websites. For example, there are login details available for Netflix and Amazon Prime. VirusTotal.com. Scan your files to identify virus. Paste the file in that online and you can see whether it contains virus or the file is good. IMO.im. Chat with your buddies on Skype, Facebook, Google Talk from one place. MyWatt.com. It is used to check trust of a website. When you go to some websites, it shows not secure. So copy that link and paste in mywatt.com so you can see the website is true or something has happened. sxe.hu. This is used to download online images for free. I think some of the websites cost for downloading images. I don't know. But sxe.hu you can download online images for free. Tabloid.com. It is used to convert your favorite blogs into a PDF. Historio.us. This preserve your website with all format, even passwords. Snopes.com. This will identify your mail whether it is spam or not. YouTube.com/leanback. This is used to see your YouTube videos in full screen. I think some of the videos are not in full screen in YouTube. Boxo.com. This is help you to track your shipment, even couriers. Faxzero.com. You can send a fax on online for free. Fontsquirrel.com. There are many fonts available you can choose and use it for all apps like Instagram and for your typing. Scribblemaps.com. You can create your own Google map. Everytimezone.com. It is the best website I can suggest because all time zones are arranged in the same web page. Typingweb.com. You can learn typing for free. imgtfy.com. If you are lazy to type in Google, you can search it by typing any keyword or you can search by clicking the resultant images that are listed below. Random.org. If you are bored, you can try this. Nature sounds for .me. You can hear auspicious sounds and cool sounds. It is used for sound therapy too. Textfake.es. You can design faces for Instagram and all other websites as it is like developing an emoji to a face. Flightradar24.com. You can search a flight real-time air traffic and you can track flights there. Fediafedia.com/neo. You can hack like shown in movies. It's not a complete hacking. It's just a prank. Artpolica pov.github.io/garmoksa. You can play online. Internetmap.net shows the address of map of internet. Nestbox.com is used for playing games. NoExcuseless.com it is for learning free. Like there are many learning apps and websites like Topper and Unacademy. Some cost for it, but in this NoExcuses.com you can learn them for free. Roadtrippers.com it is a guide for your road trips. FinoElite.org it is a list of router passwords available around you. OnlineConvert.com it is a free converter tool for your audio, video, and images. It can convert it to any other forms. Maps.statement.com you can color your map for location identification. Incompetech.com you can search for free music for your project or editing or something. Factslights.com there are list of random facts available there where you can use as status and for sharing. Camel.com you can track Amazon prices to save your cash. Myfonts.com/whatthefont it is a fonts available for Instagram bio and any other biography. Livebevox.com there are list of free audiobooks available. You can listen them for free. Stolen Camera Finder it is a best website to find your photos. If it is lost, you give it the serial number of the camera or photo lost. You can identify them. Vectormagic.com you can make your photos clear. Radiogarden.com you can listen to radio for free in online or across the world. Photopea.com it is a free online video editor similar to Adobe Premiere Pro. WarnOnTV.com search your favorite actor or actress costumes and you can buy there. Eurovid.com you can search for plants botanical name and its common name in all languages. RemoveBG.com you can remove your background for photos and videos. Stellarium it is a website where you can see your night sky and stars and you can identify their names. And before using this websites, you use VPN. It is always recommended. It as it is safe for you and your account because they are unknown websites. Thank you for listening to us. Like, share, and subscribe our EduTech channel. Thank you.